After standing in my kitchen for minutes, wondering what my kids would take in their lunchbox, I decided to make this recipe. I mean, it shouldn't take me that long. I still have about 1 hour 30 minutes to school time. So first, I chop my vegetables, carrots, potatoes, and onions. Next, in a pan of hot vegetable oil, I added the onions and sauteed it. Then I added my minced chicken and stir. I add in my seasonings and spices. Stir properly until combined. I'll drop the full ingredient list in the description, so please check the description for the full ingredients I used. When my chicken was cooked, I added my vegetables. Stir it properly. And I added some water, then cover to cook. While that was cooking, I started to mix my flour, my salt, nutmeg in a bowl. So these are my dry ingredients. Next stage is going to get messy, so I decided to wear my disposable gloves, which I later took off as it wasn't helping. Added some margarine and mix until it looks like breadcrumbs. Then I added milk and mixed to form a dough. This was getting really messy, as you can see in the picture, so I had to take off the glove because now it's time to form this dough. So I took off the gloves and washed my hands, and I got right into it. So, and I was able to form my dough. So at this time, the filling was done, so I added a little flour mixed in water to the filling to thicken it. So finally, I mixed and turned the gas off. So next was time for me to combine both the dough and the filling, and here is how I did that. I rolled out the dough, cut into shapes, and added the filling. If you're enjoying this video so far, please hit the like button and don't forget to click on that subscribe button also, and turn on your notification bells for updates whenever I post new videos. So let's continue. I repeated this process until I was out of dough. Finally, I brushed all with egg wash. And bake in a preheated oven for 20 minutes at about 200 degrees Celsius. Oh, I had some leftover fillings, and I'll show you what I use them for in subsequent videos, so I'm going to save this up for later. Wow, look what we have here. Homemade chicken pie, perfect for my kids' packed lunch. Of course, I had to taste some. So delicious. Will you be trying this? Leave a comment below. Also give a thumbs up to like this video. share this video and subscribe to the channel for more. See you in my next video.